Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can move a file or directory to another directory using the terminal. I am in the folder root. Let me go ahead and show you the path. It is in my desktop. So in the folder root I got my script.sh file. So I need to move this file to this scripts folder. For that I can use the command mv, then relative path to that source file or folder. Also you can use the absolute path. Relative path will be just file name. It will check current path, which is this folder root for that specific file or folder. In my case, my underscore script dot sh is the file name I want to move. Then the destination path, which will be a absolute path or relative path. In my case, I am moving that file to a folder is still in this same path called folder root. So I can go ahead and say just that folder name, scripts. Now, if I check my folder root, now I cannot see my script.sh file, but if I check the scripts folder, I should be able to see my script.sh file there. Okay. Now to move a folder to another folder, we can do the same. Just say the relative path or absolute path. I'm going to move my nodes folder to scripts folder. I can say scripts. Now let's go ahead and check the scripts folder. Okay, we got our nodes folder and the my script.sh file in the scripts folder. That is it. Let's go ahead and use the absolute path to move a file to another directory. Okay, I cleaned my terminal using the clear command. So I can enter mv, then the absolute path for the file. This is the absolute path. If you know the absolute path, and you can type that there. And the second argument is the destination path. So let me go ahead and move that to my folder in desktop. I'm going to make it a folder called new folder. Then I can just drag that to here to the terminal. Now if we check the new folder, we should be able to see my script.sh file. Now I want to move folder called script to that new folder also. I can enter mv and the absolute path and the destination path. Okay, that's how we can move folders and files using the terminal. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.